learn about knee anatomy. Knee is one of the most important joints we need in our daily activities. It helps us during walking. Knee helps us during running. Knee also helps us at the time of cycling. There are also other activities where we need the knees. Knee consists of patella and patellar ligament above it. The big bones of knee joint are femur above, tibia below and medially, fibula below and laterally. Inside the knee joint, there are C-shaped structures called the menisci. There are two crossed ligaments called the anterior and posterior cruciate ligaments. In the outer aspect, there are medial and lateral collateral ligaments connecting the bones above and below and maintaining the medial-lateral stability.